up, YouTube? Today we're gonna be installing some 8th gen Civic Si seats on my 6th gen Civic, and well, yeah, we just got it started already. Took out my old seat and I'm taking it apart right now, so I have to get the rails or the mounts on both sides. So I'm doing that first, and then I'm gonna be welding some metal bars across, which I will show you how I do it. Now I'm gonna take the driver's side rails off, you know, like cut a square right here, another one right here, and the bearing comes out, this pops off. And this one, I might actually take it off, and it has 2 screws. You take off the protective cover off, and then you just, I believe you just cut it here. But if I'm not right, I'll show in the video how to do it. I just finished angle grinding this out, and now I'm just gonna try to take the rail off. So yeah, should just pop off. Yo, can you open it right here? Just press it, like if you're gonna move the seat. There you go. There you go.
Yes, sir.
That's it. There you go. Now I'm gonna try to figure out the other side. Okay, so I took off this covers, two Phillips, and then a 10mm, and then a 12mm right here. And so it should pop off. Disgusting bit. You just pop it off, and yeah, now I'm gonna see if we cut it right here and it pops off, or we cut off like maybe this thing right here. I don't know, we have to figure it out. Alright, so I just got the second one out. It was pretty easy. You just cut one end off, and then this middle one, the one that had like 2 points, you just try to like cut it out, and then that bearing will come out, and then it just pops off. It's pretty easy, pretty simple. Here my friend, he let me borrow his welder, this welding machine, and he welded this. It's not perfect, but it works. And right now we're going back to the store just to buy some flat discs and more bar. So it's coming along. Today's the next day, and we're gonna install the passenger seat. I'm about to put my old seat belt on because you have to put the old one on the new seat. So you take off the seat belt buckle thing, and then gotta shave this off so it's flat. And then same thing again. You weld these so you can make the new bracket. Took the old one out because we gotta make more welds on it. So I'll keep you guys updated. So I angle grind the old seat belt buckle. Now it's flat, so I can put it on here. And it's a 14 mil, just like the old one. And also forgot to tell you guys what we did yesterday. We grinded down like these brackets that were there, here and there. And all we do, we line up the new bracket to the top, to these front ones, flush, and we just weld from there.